Do you want to know how you can trade crypto with up to $300,000 worth of capital using a Bybit account? Then this video is for you. Watch this video and learn how. All right, welcome boys to another video. I hope everyone is having a great holiday or weekend so far. And thank you again for tuning into this video. Today we're going to talk about how you can trade crypto with up to $300,000 worth of capital using your Bybit account. Now, what we have here right now is Klein funding. This is basically a prop firm, and I think their rules are a game changer. All the links will be down below. I do have an affiliate link. So if you click my affiliate link, now I do get a little bit of rewards if you purchase a challenge or evaluation from them. Now, before we start, before I tell you their whole process, their whole rules, and etc., I want to I want to tell you something first. Now, a lot of people would say, like, why do we want to trade with a prop firm? Why not just trade our personal funds? All right, so here's a scenario. If you have $1,000 right now and you want to make 10% on that account for a whole month by trading crypto, you're only gonna make $100, right? But let's say you have a $300,000 worth of capital from a prop firm and you want to make 10% of that in a month. That would give you $30,000 per month. That's a huge salary. That could be your salary for the whole year. And that is a game changer. That's why I am trying to trade with a prop firm. Although I do have a personal account that I'm trading with. And it's just trading with a prop firm is just best if you're like a beginner and you want to practice your discipline, your setups, your A plus setups. You wanna back test it. You can get like a small challenge and back test your challenge there, so that because if you're gonna do back test on a paper account, it's just different when there's money on the line, right? So you gotta have skin in the market and really trade so that you could let your emotions, like, you have to master your emotions and all that. So I would highly suggest just to get a challenge and practice there. All right. So these are their current programs or evaluations that they have right now. They have a 1-step, they have a 2-step, 3-step prime. I think this is still not available, and they have an instant. So if you don't want to go through the evaluation, they do have an instant pro. I'm going to talk about the difference now. So for 2-step, you have to pass the account twice. On the first step, you have to pass whatever your max drawdown is. And then the second step, you have to max half of that maximum drawdown. For 1-step, you only need to pass it one time. You only need to make the like the maximum drawdown. So let's say you have a 6% drawdown, you only need to make a 6% profit in that account, and then you pass it, and then you're good to go. You're already funded. You can make money daily. They're gonna pay you out with USDT or your card or your bank or Wise. That's it. All right. So these are the prices right here. Now you basically can change your reward split up to 100%, which is really, really nice. And you can even change the maximum drawdown, which is also nice. Now, the problem with Breakout is I've tested it, and I just hate trading on the DX trade terminal. With this, you can trade on a demo Bybit account, and you just have to connect it. I'll tell you how in a minute. This is a test account that I have right now. I bought a 6K account, and I'm trading Sui right now with the long. So the fees are not bad. For $1,000 margin, there's basically $6 fees to open and close, and I think that's not too bad. Spreads are literally zero. Just have to watch out for the fees. All right, so I think it's nice. Okay, so This is the dashboard. Dashboard is really nice. You can see your permitted max daily loss, your max loss, and then drawdown daily level, drawdown max level. You can see all of your trade history here, and you can even see like your consistency rule right there, that you have a stability score of 45%. Then the max leverage is up to 100, which is really nice. Profit target for me to pass step 1 is 14% because this is a 2-step account. All right, so let's go back to the accounts. Now, if you don't like doing 1-step, you could do 2-step. Now, if you don't really like going with evaluations, you could go to Instant Pro as well. But the plans are a little bit expensive. They do have a discount right now, which is 15% for Instant. So summer 15. If you want to use Jason Casper's code, it's Jason 15 for Instant and Jason 25 for 2-step and 1-step. Now the difference basically with 1-step and 2-step is just their consistency rule. So if I go here and let me just add an account so that you can basically see. All right, hold on. Start now. Let me just wait. Let me go here. All right, so this is just basically the difference. This is very cool. You can use Bybit. I think it doesn't matter if you're restricted on using Bybit on your country. You just have to use VPN, and then you don't have to do KYC with Bybit. Just open a demo account, connect your API, and then you can basically trade on your phone, on your browser, which is really, really nice. So 1-step, the consistency rule for 1-step is 30%, meaning that your best day must not be 30% of your total profits so that you can pass the account or get a payout. So let's say you have a 100K account and your drawdown is 6%. So you basically have to make 6,000 to pass the 1-step account, and your stability score must be 30%. So meaning 6,000 times 30%. So meaning your best day or your must not be above $1,800. So you can trade. You can do let's say you have 6,000 divided by wait 6,000 1/8 divided by times 354. All right, so you can trade 100K and pass it within 4 days as long as you don't go above $1,800 profits per day, so that your stability score will remain at 30%. Now for 2-step, your stability score is 45%, meaning you can make up to, let's say you have a 100K account times 45%. That's wait, that's a million. Hold on. 10,000, 100,000 times 45%. Wait, is that percent? Wait. Why is that? I think, I think, wait, yeah, actually 6,000. Oh, actually, okay, that was wrong. So your profit target is 6,000 and you need to make, stability score is 45%. So sorry, that was wrong. So you basically need, your best day must not exceed $2,700. So you make 1,000, 2,000, that's good. And you can basically make $1,000 per day for 6 days. You pass the account, then your stability score will still be on 45%. All right. So it's that easy, boys. You don't have to overthink this. Your stability score is just consistency rule. You just have to stay within that amount. All right. That's how you compute it. Okay. So um if you want to start, if you just want to get an account, like you could just start with 2-phase or 1-phase. Then I suggest you start with 10% drawdown maximum, and then you want to do 6%. With my test account, I I actually bought 2 phase, and then I chose 14% drawdown, which is this. And then my profit share is 100%. And I use JSON 25 code. So basically, guys, for 100, there's no profit split. I could take out 100% of the profit I make on the account for only $87. And I could trade with up to $840 worth of max total drawdown. Meaning I could lose if I use like $50 risk per trade. So 840 divided by 50. I need to lose 16 trades, boys, to breach the account. If I use, even with 55% win rate, and then I use 1:3 risk to reward ratio, I'm still going to be profitable at the end of 16 trades, which is really, really nice. All right. So these are the rules basically. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you choose Instant Pro, the drawdowns here are not static. So you have to watch out. Their drawdown are trailing. It means that if you make profits, your drawdown is gonna follow. It's gonna trail. It's not static. So you have to watch out even on floating profits. So it's an intraday trailing drawdown for this. No consistency rules, no stability, but you gotta watch out for the trailing drawdown, which sucks. That's why I chose two-step, because the drawdown is static, meaning it's not gonna trail at the end of the day. It's just gonna stay where it's at based on my high watermark. So which is, really, really nice. So let's say I make like $1,000 right now, and then I lose. Like my drawdown is gonna stay where it's at the end of the day. It's not like trailing drawdown where it's even on floating profits, like you don't take the profits yet. It's like floating, your drawdown's gonna follow. So you have to be very careful with that. All right, so FAQs. All of the funds are actually demo. They just reward you with whatever performance you've got. So keep in mind. And valuations, you basically have to pass it. You can get up to 300K max allocation. So if you pass a 200K account, once you pass it, you can take another $100,000 challenge and pass it. Then you max allocation is $300,000 per user. Okay, what other rules we have here? Payment option, they got crypto. You can pay with your credit card. Country restriction, they don't have any restrictions right now, which is really nice. Same with breakout. What else here? Trading pairs, you got like 700 plus trading pairs. Leverage up to 100, which is really nice. All trading platforms with only Bybit. Weekend trading is allowed, and holding swings, which is really nice. Overnight positions. So that's a nice one. What else? I think that's it. So you can request your payout if you don't violate any rules. Stay within your consistency rule. That's really nice. How fast will be my payout process? It's gonna take 4 to 24 hours, which is really nice. Let's actually see. Once I pass the account, let's see if this is true. Copy trading rules is prohibited though. So even between on your account, so watch out for that. This ensures that all trading activity reflects genuine skill and decision making. So watch out. Just don't do copy trades between your accounts. So say you buy 2 challenges. Just trade it on different days, on different times, okay? Different pairs. Account sharing is strictly prohibited. So to connect your API is very easy. You just go to your Bybit, open a sub account. Once you have a sub account, just go to your sub account and go to demo trading. And once you're on your demo trading, you just click API right here. Once you're there at the API, it's just Very easy. Click generate API and then make sure that read and write. Yeah, they have a video. They have a video and it's very easy. Just click read and write, go to your dashboard, just paste the two generated API and you're already there. That's ready. You do have to watch out that you can only connect one sub account for or one API. And once you have enter your API in the dashboard, you cannot make a second API on that sub account. All right. If the API on Bybit is deleted or changed, your account will be breached. So please do not delete or change your API. Platform rules. Trading USDC instead. You can only trade USDT. So trading any other market or currency USDC spot will immediately breach your account. So trading USDC instead of USDT is prohibited. Trading spot, futures, options, or margin markets is not allowed. Only USDT perpetual, guys. Remember, only USDT perpetual. When you go here, you must only click this. Don't ever click USDC inverse or other, okay? Even options, don't click that. So, says here, borrowing USDT balance to trade with other markets will cause immediate breach of your account. Don't do that. After connecting the API, requesting demo funds will also cause immediate breach of your account. So do not ever click request demo funds, all right, after connecting your API. So you can only trade USDT perpetual. All right, so just go here, futures, and then perpetual. Just stick with perpetual. All right. Okay. So, Instant Pro. Basically, there's some rules here. Just read through. They do have a scaling rule also. Let's say you make 10% of the account in your balance and you want to scale your account, like you want to ask for more capital. You do have to forfeit 50% of the profit you made, your profit share, and then in return, your account size will double. So let's say I have a 6K account. I make 600 and then I chose to scale. 50% of the profit will be forfeited and then my account will be doubled. All right. So that is it for this tutorial, boys. It's very, very easy. If you do have some questions, let me know in the comments below. We do have a Discord group. Links will also be down below. If you don't have a Bybit account, links will be in the description. Please use my link to buy a challenge on Klein funding account. So I suggest if you want to start out, just get a 2-step 6K account, reward split 100%, max drawdown 14%. Then it's only like $117 plus with the discount code from Jason25. You basically pay $87, bro. It's very, 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 very light. So that is it for this video. I would highly suggest to join their Discord. Their customer support is really fast. Like if you chat here, they would reply instantly. On Discord, they're very active, so it's really, really nice. So hopefully we pass this account this week and we start getting payouts. Thank you for watching, boys. I hope you guys learned something. So if you want to trade with up to 300K capital, go ahead and click the links below. Bye-bye.